So the outcomes of this lesson, we're going to build and clarify the relationship of multiplication and addition by evaluating the identities such as 3 times G equals G plus G plus G. So I'm going to lay that relationship right there. Harrison?
Yeah.
No, don't do
There's a
that.
seat right there. Point.
All right. So looking at our opening exercise. So it says write 2 different expressions that can be depicted by the tape diagram that is shown. So one expression should include the addition while the other should include multiplication. So for example, if we look at A, this is the first example. So we have 1 box, we have 2 boxes, and we have another one. Just based upon what you see from this, what could be the addition equation of this? By a show of hands. What could be the addition equation?
Oh, it will be in times, right?
You got to raise your hand? No, addition, so we're adding. So what would be the equation for this? Kyrie?
3 rows or something. Yeah, 3 rows.
But what would it be in like addition equation? Like it will be plus.
Oh, 3 plus 3 plus 3.
Yep, 3 plus 3 plus 3.
Do we write that?
Yes. So you guys need to have this written for letter A. Now by a show of hands, what could be the multiplication version of this? So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. What could be the multiplication equation of this?
3 times 3 times times 3 equal 9 again.
Yep. So 3 times 3 equals 9. All right, so let's look at B. So B, we have 2 rectangles. And then each of them are going to have 8 boxes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if we look at this right here, what would be our addition equation? Harrison?
8 plus 8.
That is correct because why?
Because it got 8 squares in the box.
Yep, so we have 8 squares here. So that gives us 8. And then we have how many squares here?
8.
We have 8 here, so that gives us 8 plus 8. What would be the multiplication equation of this? Show of hands. Darnell?
8 times 8. Oh.
Not quite. But so if we have 8 plus 8 and it equals, what is 8 plus 8 equal?
16.
Okay, so what will be the multiplication equation of that? So refer back to what we did up here on letter A. So we did 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. And we got 3 times 3 that equals 9. And then we have 8 plus 8 that equals 16. What will be the multiplication of this?
16 times
Did somebody help him out? Kyrie?
8. Go, Kyrie. 2 times 8.
Yep, it will be 2 times 8. And why would it be 2 times 8?
Because we got 2 8s.
Yep. So we have 2 groups of
8.
2 groups of 8. So you see that, Darnell? So what he did was, we have two groups of 8. So two groups, we put 2, and then we have two groups of 8. So that gives us 2 times 8 as our equation.
Can I go beat my hair up?
No.
No.
All right, last example. So we have C. So we have 3 rectangles. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15, and we have 3 groups of 5. What will be our multiplication equation? So we have 3 groups of 5.
So, 5.
Okay, 5 is 1. What will go right here?
3, baby.
Yep, it will be 3.
Go,
Good
Kyrie.
job.
You got to it. Go, baby.
So this is correct because we know 5 plus 5 plus 5 give us 15. But how many groups of 5 do we have? How many groups do we have?
3.
3. So we have 3 groups of 5. So our multiplication equation will be 5 times 3. So this represents 3 groups of 5. Does that make sense to everyone?
Yes.
So thumbs up, it makes sense. Sideways, you don't know. Everybody understands?
Yeah.
Good job.
I definitely did not understand.
The sun is bright.
Where's the rainbow?
No.
Now this time I'm going to provide you with a tape diagram, but this time we're going to go into more detail so that you guys can get a little bit more understanding of how this works. So if we have between here, plus. So the first expression would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now, by a show of hands, what would be the multiplication version of this? Zaina.
Go say the way.
So if 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, we have 4 groups of 2. So what will be the multiplication equation of this? All right, give you that.
This is a big
Yep, it will be 4 times 2. And what does that equal? It equals 8. Now, what if I was to do a tape diagram like this?
How's that way? You do this one, please.
So class, Kyrie, y'all pay attention. So if I was supposed to do, if I did a tape diagram, and then also build a tape diagram that represents 4 times 2, what would this be more fitting for? Would this be fitting for addition equation or multiplication?
8.
So this is the addition one. What would this one be? The multiplication one, because we have 2 groups of 4.
Where are you going?
He know he just got you.
So this will represent 4 times 2.
I still got you. See?
Yeah, there's many. I said this way.
It doesn't matter.
So if we were to make a tape diagram for 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it would look like this. Now, if we were to do the multiplication expression, it would look like this. Because we have 2 groups of 4. So 2 groups of 4 equals 8. So if I was to ask you guys, what do you guys notice about these 2 diagrams? What do you guys notice about these 2? By show of hands.
Oh,
Kyrie?
they're different and also the same.
Yep, so they're different expressions, but they have the same,
Answer.
yep, the same answer and the same number of squares. That is correct. So why are these 2 diagrams the same? Why do you think? Raise your hand.
Here's a raise your hand.
So why do you guys think that these 2 diagrams are the same? Why would they be considered the same? Harrison?
Because they both have the same answer.
Yep, they both have the same value. The values are equivalent. So they both equal to what number?
8.
8. That is correct. They have the same value. So therefore, we could say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 times 2.
Can somebody go over there and tell them to stop saying woo?
All right, so now I'm gonna give you guys another example.
What example?
We have 4, so we have 3 groups of
6.
4, because each group has their 4. So this group has 4, this group has 4, this group has 4. All right, so as far as this part of the lesson, does everybody understand?
Yes.
Understand where we're coming from? Okay, so now we're going to move to the variables. So let's go ahead and erase this. So that when a number is next to this type of variable, that means that we're multiplying, right? So if a variable like this is next to a number, that means that we are multiplying it. So 3 times G.
Shut up, Harrison.
So
Why?
this equation is an identity because we can replace G with anything. We can replace it with any number.
Or 6, 7.
So if we were to do 3 times 4,
G plus G equals 6, 7 G.
Oh, Kyrie?
not quite, not quite.
G.
But if we did 3 times 4, what will be our equation, our math equation?
Oh, 1 plus 1 plus 1.
If we had 3 times 4, what would be?
4 plus 4 plus 4.
It would be 4
That's so smart.
plus 4
Good job, Mario.
plus 4.
Yeah, now it's Harrison's turn. Yay!
Say what?
Okay, how about if we had, let's say for example, 3H.
3, 8.
What would be the expression? First of all, how many H's do we have?
3.
3. So
Harrison, you should know this.
so what would be the math? What would be the addition equation?
3.
I know.
3. Harrison, no.
3 plus, not 3. 8 plus 8 plus 8.
Wrong.
H plus H plus H. Good job. Okay, how about, let's see here.
Good job, Harrison. You're so smart. Wow, you're so smart.
And why is he chewing on the wresters and throwing at me?
I don't
With
know.
his. You feel that?
What if we had 5J?
You're so smart.
What would be the addition equation of this?
Shake me.
I'm gonna call somebody different. Zaina.
What about your name? She had that P.
So we did 3H. We realized that we had 3 H's. So we put H plus H plus H. So we have 5J. So what would be this one? J.
I really don't know.
Good job. All right, Yenderly, if we had, let's say we had 7 U's, what would be the so how many U's would we have in total? Darnell. All right, what was it again, Kari?
6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4.
Alrighty, so if we were to see an expression like this, how could we simplify this? So 6 times 6, not 6.
Oh, we could do 4 times 6 and 3 times 4.
Yep, so 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24, right?
Yeah.
Because 6, 12, 18, 24. So another way to write this, we would do 6 times what, Kyrie?
6 times 4
6 times 4. Good
and
job.
3 times 4. No,
Now, if we look over on this side, we have 4 plus 4 plus 4. What does that equal? 12. Yep.
12.
So we have 4, 8, 12. What would be the multiplication version of this?
3 times 4.
Yep, it will be 3 times 4. So therefore, our new expression would be 6 times 4 plus 3 times 4. Y'all see how I got that?
Yeah.
All right.
And then the whole answer will equal 36.
Yes, that is correct. And then we can check our answer by going ahead and solving. So we know 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 4 times 3, that's 12. 4 plus 2, that gives me 6. 2 plus 1, that gives me 36. So that is correct. But we don't have to solve for this. All we're doing is simplifying it and making it this expression.
D, and W.
So how many W's do we have?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many W's do we have?
5.
All right, is that it?
Uh-huh.
All right, so same thing that we did here. Let's look at the amount of D's that we have. How many do we have?
3. Yeah, 3. Oh, you got more D's.
How many D's are there?
3.
Oh, there were just 3?
Three. And then
So it was just 3 on your paper?
Uh-huh.
All right.
there's 5.
So if we have 3 D's right here, what would be the
3
variable?
times D plus 5 times W.
So what could we say instead of 3 times D?
Oh, 3 times 3?
So we could put 3 and D together, right? What would that be? Just
3D.
yeah, 3D.
3D plus No, 3, yeah, do 3D.
Okay. 3 times D.
3D plus
Alright, 3D plus
5D. I mean 5W. Stop
5D.
talking to me. You stupid. You stupid. No, you stupid. I know how to do it by myself. You know how to do it from Mr. Green. Stupid. You stupid. No, stupid. You stupid. I'm sorry for saying you stupid. 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 Stupid.
Y'all too.
Somebody.
All right, what about C? What does C say?
Oh, see, it says it got 2 A's
Okay. It has 2 A's, how many?
and 3 B's and 4 C's.
3 B's and 4 C's. All right, Yenderly, how would we solve this? Just looking at this one, what would this be? 2. Yep, it will be 2A, that's correct. All right, Zayna, now if we look at the B's, what would this be? 3B, good job. Darnell, if we look at the amount of C's, what would this be? Look at how many C's we have. It will be 4C.
Okay,
Alright, so do you guys understand how we got these answers?
yeah.
So pretty much what you're doing, when you see an equation like this, all it's telling you is just to simplify it. So we simplify it by doing 2A plus 3B plus 4C. Alright, is that the last one from 5?
Yeah, that's the last one.
Alright. Alright, so everybody grab all your stuff. We're about to go back to Miss Kim's room. And then you're gonna complete your exit ticket in there.
Okay.
Alright?
Easy.